Nitro Antique Mall. This looks up my alley. Yes. Yes. Dude, this is too much. Also, there's more alley cats. That Italian donkey planter is epic. Oh my gosh, what in the hell? Well, this is clearly the first thing I see. Amazing wind-up cat. He's fantastic. Does he work? Let's find out. He does work. He's $18 in marked Japan. He is coming with us for sure. Wow, look at these. Those are amazing. The stands. Smoking stand. Dude, what the I'm sorry. Oh my God. What is happening back here? This is very different. Very different. I'm keeping my camera on because I'm scared. Oh my gosh. What? What are these beaded creatures? I have to know what these are. Like, look at this thing. Oh my God. It's pretty sure it's haunted. $10. It's so strange. What is that? It's so dark, you can barely see. I feel like I'm being possessed as we speak. It's like a snake's. Good grief. This is spooky, but I'm into it. Look back here. Look at the gumball doll head thing. That's me all day. What is this? Oh my gosh. That's a really interesting painting. Is this the tag on it? Pumpkin Trail. Wow. That's amazing. If that was less, I would totally get it. For resale, I have no idea what it is. This is so spooky. Dude, what in the hell? The Chalkware Clown is really good. Although, I'm kind of scared. Wow, this is so different. All right, I'm getting out of here. This is intense, even for me. Oh my God, the vase. The vase. It's $48. It looks like does it have like a crack in it? What's going on with it? It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at look at the sand. Oh my gosh. What is the hearts? That's so different. Well, I'm definitely getting this. This is just so pretty. It says $48. Look at that thing. This one is actually hand-signed, sandblasted Gibson glass. It does have a signature on it. It's $300. Yeah, I think it's a bit steep. I'm gonna leave it. These bookends are amazing. $60 for the pair. Art Deco. Troll Lion. It's rough, but it's also $3. For $3, I'll take that. It's so weird. Go upstairs here. Looks like it's all comic books and Legos and stuff like that back here. Yeah. Look at that monkey. What is going on with the monkey?
Well, hello, sweetheart.
That's so weird. What is that astronaut toy? Oh my gosh. This is so different. I'm trying to like see what the price tag is on it. These are fantastic too. 1960s Napco rock band. Pepper's Finger. Oh my gosh. Those are so good. Quick but epic stop. I spent $74 in there. I don't know what that vase is. I just loved it. I thought it was so pretty at that price. No questions asked. I have time for one more. I will see you guys when I get there. Something tells me I didn't leave enough time for this place. Ironically, I'm at somewhere in time, Antique Mall. I have a good feeling about this one. Dude, this is insane. Look at that. Ron Hinkle Blue Carnival vase. Oh my gosh, that pulled feather one. Dude, sand. Dude, what is happening? happening here. I might have to come back tomorrow. This is like a lot for me right now. It's a lot of stimulation. I don't even know what to do right now. I feel like, did I even lock my car? What year is it? I gotta know how much that Fenton one is. I wonder if this is open. Nope, locked. Ooh. 20 bucks? That's really nice. Viking. Epic dresses. This is like, oh my gosh. Insert part where swoon again. So far the prices have been really awesome too. Oh my gosh. Allie Smith, 56. Wow. Cats. After all that glass, still buying cats, $9.50. I'm kind of like at the point where I'm almost shopped out for the day. 48, that's Japan. That's definitely spendy for that. Yeah, I'm like really all over the place. I might have to call it soon. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've seen so much stuff today. Viking? Is that Viking? I feel like it's not Viking, but what do I know? That's a really cool one back there. Oh my gosh. Like that little dress back there, that's so sweet. Wow. This is amazing. Look at that lampshade. And it's got the ashtrays built into it? What? How many lamps can I fit in my car? Works great, 185, 50% off. Whoa. Oh, as is, it's broken, that's why. I don't know what's going on there. I feel like I'm like literally lost in time right now. I think I've had too much stimulation today. Well, look at that crazy vase up there. Might be contemporary, but still. My mind is like all over the place right now. Yo. That looks important. Look at these birds. $28 for the pair. Dude, they're Chinese. Oh my gosh, they're like paper thin. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. I feel like these are something special. All right, let's keep it moving. I took a look at that pulled feather vase. That's really pretty. That's $22. And oh my gosh. I can live without that, but I don't think I can live without these. They are damaged, but they're like everything. What I was trying to say, there's no glass there. Oh my gosh, there's so much happening. Blanco cowboy hat, Blanco crackle glass. I took a picture of the pulled feather vase. It was signed $10. I don't care that they have a little damage. They're so good. I'm taking these. And I sent it. Oh, they're like really damaged. Oh, but they're so fun. Oh, they're so broken. Dang it. I can't do it. It's got multiple breaks on it. I sent a picture to Pete. And I'm like, what does this say? Hurry, help. 30% off everything. Well, this sticks out to me. Mexican pottery vase, that's $28. And 30% off, that's insane. Look at this frog. Ken Edwards frog. No discount. That makes more sense. That's a good price as it is at 28. Like I said, I'm just like a bit overwhelmed. I've been so overstimulated today that, whoa. No discount, Royal Deuce. Oh, this is so cute. Wow, that's a gorgeous color. I'm not usually a basket person. They're kind of tough to sell, but really like that color combo. Ooh, happy eggplants. And they're $7. We'll take those for $7. Make sure they're not like cracked or something. More epic lamps. $3.25. Let me make sure these are actually, yeah, they got the green slash. Those don't. Wow, this is awesome. This has been such a great day. Can't believe it's only been a day today. Like, what? I feel like I did like a week's worth of viewing at least. And even a week is a bit generous. Wow, really neat pottery. All right, what's going on over here? A lot is the answer. A lot's going on over here. And so it continues. All right, put my happy eggplants down for a second here. First of all, Indiana glass. I keep running into this vase, 42. They keep getting cheaper too. I feel like the next one I'm gonna find is gonna be the one. Look at these great salt and pepper shakers. $12, that's not a bad price. Little room, not as much as I'd like. This is sweet. I have to get in there. Move my happy eggplants over here with me. Makes no sense, I love it. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? Calm. Calm, calm, calm. More monster cats. The hippo is amazing. All right, let's get into this situation. This is, that's very different. That's a cool one. Super spiky, means earlier. 28 on that hand-painted one. This is pretty. 20 Northwood. Canal. I believe, at least. I believe that's Canal. Look at this little moss or jadeite. Oh, that's so sweet. And then, oh. Empoli Canary Yellow Vase. That's epic. What is this? Rare Imperial Blue Azure. 45 on that. That's really pretty. I don't think that leaves enough room for me. I actually have one like that. That's Amberina. This is beautiful. Even though it's newer, 55. This has just been like a lot to take in today. That giant vase, the Ellie Smith, that's only $170. That's a good price for that. I feel like they've been so expensive. That's nice, a little smoky color. Green glass pitcher, that looks like it glows. I'm pretty interested in what's happening in this case. I love the Art Deco purse. That's at $120 though. This art glass vase looks like Eckholt. That's $100. But then this little Latticino, you can't tell how much the price is. Look at the hair comb. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Look at the Lotes. That's gorgeous too. I'm sure the Latticino is probably near cost. Everything else is in this booth. Oh my gosh, the horse. It's a poodle. It's a Murano poodle. Oh my gosh. I've only ever seen one of these once in real life. I actually bought and sold it. It sold for a lot. This one's in better I'm like all over the place. Shape. 85. I gotta look that up again. I can't remember how much the average sold was. I know that mine was a crazy color, but that one's like perfect. All right, so mine sold for like 180 something, but it had some damage. This is amazing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take that. I need to calm down first and walk around a little. I'm gonna put these up here. Look at the flower frog. That's fantastic too. There is so much happening. Look at this umbrella stand. And on my way up, I'm gonna snatch this little vintage plastic stretch bracelet for $6. Love that peachy color. I took a second look at that poodle and something just doesn't look right about it. In fact, it's funny because I had already sent it to Pete and he just responded and he agrees that it wasn't my idea, but he said that the glass color looked Mexican even though the actual poodle was well done. So I think it might be my gut telling me that it is in fact not right. I looked at my poodle, I sold it. It didn't have that shape, it was thicker. This is interesting. I've never seen it with the yellow like that before. Really nice. $8. That's so cheap. Look at this little happy puppy. So cute. $10 on the Fisher Price. It is beautiful out. I spent $44 in there. I really think those birds are something special, and I do believe that that poodle was in fact well done, but not what I thought. I'm going to call it a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.